Welcome to another Simple Dad TikTok tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to delete video stickers you've created on TikTok. So if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. So video sticker is a new feature on TikTok where you can basically take a video and create a sticker out of it. So when you create a sticker out of it, it goes into your profile and it gets collected here in the sticker tab of your TikTok profile. So let me show you how to delete this video sticker from your TikTok profile. So first you want to go ahead and open up TikTok. Next you want to tap on profile here at the bottom right. And now here you're looking for your sticker icon, which will be just next to your video tab. So your sticker icon will look like a square smiley face. Go ahead and tap on that. Once you tap on that, you'll see all the stickers you have created. So as an example, I've created one sticker here. So to delete this video sticker, you need to just tap on the sticker. And now here you'll get this menu. To delete it, just go ahead and tap on delete. This will now ask you if you want to confirm to delete the sticker. So go ahead and tap on delete. If you've used this sticker in the past, users will still be able to see the sticker. So go ahead and tap on delete. This will now prevent you from using it in the future. So there you go. That is how to delete the video stickers you have created on TikTok. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.